Welcome to Sarandë, a town that sits on the southern coast of Albania along the Ionian Sea, directly opposite the Greek island of Corfu. In early spring, the town feels calm and spacious. The Waterfront Promenade becomes the center of activity, with cafes overlooking the bay and fishing boats moving slowly through the harbour. From above, the geography becomes clear. Sarandë is built along a curved bay, with steep hills rising behind the town and the Ionian Sea stretching out toward Corfu. Much of the coastline is visible from the air, including the long promenade, the port, and the small beaches scattered along the edge of town. Just offshore in the bay, there is a small curiosity that many visitors notice from above or from the waterfront. A partially sunken fishing boat sits beneath the surface near the harbour. The hull is still visible through the clear water, slowly rusting away beneath the waves. It has become an odd landmark of the bay, and in calm conditions, you can clearly see the outline of the wreck beneath the surface. Sarandë also has a long history that predates the modern city. In the center of town, you can still see the remains of a 5th century synagogue complex, later converted into an early Christian basilica. These ruins sit quietly among modern streets and apartment buildings and are considered some of the earliest evidence of Jewish presence in the region. Over time, the area passed through Greek, Roman, Venetian, and Ottoman influence, reflecting the long and complex history of the Southern Balkans. One of the most recognizable landmarks overlooking the town is the Lëkurësi Castle. Built during the Ottoman period, the fortress sits high above the bay. From this vantage point, you can see the entire city of Sarandë, the surrounding mountains, and the coastline stretching north and south along Albania's Ionian coast. A short drive south brings you to the coastal village of Ksamil, known for its beautiful bright turquoise water and small offshore islands. This town has become one of the most photographed parts of southern Albania. Even outside the main tourist months, the clarity and the colour of the water are striking. For travellers planning a visit, a few practical details help. Albania uses the Albanian lek as its official currency, although euros are commonly accepted in tourist areas. Compared with many Mediterranean destinations, prices remain relatively affordable. A coffee along the promenade might cost around 100 to 150 lek. A simple restaurant meal often ranges between 600 and 1500. Accommodation varies widely depending on the season. But outside peak months, it is possible to find apartments and small hotels at very reasonable prices. Getting here is fairly straightforward. Many travellers arrive via ferry from Corfu, which is visible just across the water. The crossing takes around 30 minutes and typically costs around 20 to 30 euros each way. It is one of the shortest international ferry routes in Europe, connecting Greece and Albania across a very narrow stretch of the Ionian Sea. Sarandë today is a mix of history and coastal life, from ancient ruins in the town centre to the Ottoman fortresses above the bay. It remains one of the main gateways to Albania's southern coastline and a natural starting point for exploring the wider Ionian region. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep on adventuring.